Hello everyone. Okay, hi everyone. Today we're gonna start learning something really simple. You can create some I Shape Girder to make our approach in Revit, and this one is the most easiest thing we can do. The easiest thing we can do to make the our approach in Revit. So first of all, we're gonna a lot of people ask me like, why don't we use draw in in Revit directly? Why we have to import AutoCAD into our Revit model? So the first thing is, as you know, that we started doing AutoCAD for a long time ago, 20 years ago maybe, and then we have a lot of resources we have created in the past until now. So that reason why we use AutoCAD instead of drawing directly in Revit. We can easily pick line AutoCAD, and we can save a lot of time by measure the distance between two lines. So then we just import AutoCAD, we pick line, and that's all we need to do. So let's get started. We're gonna open the AutoCAD file. If anyone interested in this one, you can connect to me by email with Facebook, or connect to me by my phone number if you have Vietnamese phone number as well. I'm Vietnamese, so it's quite difficult for people around the world to connect to me by phone, so you can send me an email, and this one is easy to share. I don't hide anything. So okay, first of all, we need to set up the origin coordination for this project. We're going to use the command UCS to set up the origins. To when we import to Revit, it's easier. It's like directly import the origin to origin in Revit. We're going to use the command W to save our AutoCAD model. Yeah, here we're gonna save the name, and I already saved it, so I move to AutoCAD. We're gonna open a new family, gonna create some new families. We're gonna the most easiest way to create a model is we're gonna go to generate model. Here we have we're gonna go to see this, and we're going to program data. We're gonna also go to Autodesk. If we use a Revit 2020, we're gonna open Revit 2020. We go to family template. We're gonna use English. We're gonna use a matrix generation model. This one is matrix generation model. We open. No, this one is 2022. So why use 2022? Because in 2022 we have a lot of new feature for rebar arrangement, or make a reinforcement for the concrete and for the reinforcement segment. So we're gonna go to the left file. We're gonna import insert, import CAD. We're gonna import the I Girder chef. So teaching okay. And so anyway, if anyone interested in this course, you can connect to me, and the price really cheap, and not really cheap, but affordable for everyone around the world. And I can teach you English, and if you're Vietnamese, I can teach you in Vietnamese as well. Furthermore, we need to understand about photo structure. We need to manage our photos carefully, properly, to save our time when we want to looking for something. That's the more important thing, because when we create, we need to think different the way we work in CAD and the way we work in Revit and BIM, BIM, building information modeling. Because in CAD we can each drawing it's in different view. I mean, you can create different drawing in different AutoCAD file, but in Revit you create all drawing in one project model. So everything is one. That's a reason that's the more important thing of BIM, and the more valuable thing of BIM. So we're gonna go to I'm gonna create my folder as this one. If we work individually, we're gonna work in a BIM, in a building information modeling environment or command data environment, we can create two more important thing. Is with is something working progress, and share is mean something you share to other people. As with, we're gonna go to AutoCAD. I have been creating this, and this one is the session 1.1. Because I'm safe in OneDrive Dropbox, so I have to send it. Currently, the color we're gonna use is invert or preserve. Is invert the color from AutoCAD to Revit. Layer, you're gonna all layer, or you wanna specify the layer, but it doesn't matter. You can turn off in Revit as well. The more important thing is here. It's millimeter. Using millimeter. If you are using meter, you need to understand, and you need to carefully choose this one, import unit. And the most important thing when you import CAD, we need to use this one. This is the reason why we choose we set up the origin in AutoCAD, because in positioning here we have origin to internal origin. It means the origin to AutoCAD is gonna go to internal origin in Revit. That is problem. We're gonna open here. You can see the origin is right here. The first thing we're gonna create the extrusion. We're gonna pick line. Yeah, we're gonna pick. It's easy. It's really easy to pick this one. Yeah, here you're gonna use the command TR to trim this one. TR. Yeah, like this, and you finish. You don't care. You don't need to care about the start end and the end or something like that. You're gonna go to front, and this one is the center left, right, and this one is 250. Extrusion and extrusion start. You wanna make it like this. You're gonna create a reference plan right here. And then you can create some parameter for this one. It's quite easy. You're gonna align this one. You're gonna use the command align. You align this one, and this you lock it up. And this one you can create it. This one is L1, is length 1. You're gonna create instant or types as well. I'm gonna keep it instant. And then for I Shape Girder, you have like this width, the plan part. It's like the transition between this section to the smaller section. We're gonna go to the left. We're gonna insert. We're gonna import the other section. Section 2.2. We're gonna just take a little bit of time to sync. Here I set up the origin, so this one is gonna go directly to Revit. I don't need to move. I don't need to care about the position of this one. And create a plan. The first thing is you are editing the base, and if you want to edit in the top, it means you can when you create, you can put your mouse right here for a little bit, about 2 seconds, 3 seconds. You can easily they have some instruction for you, so easily you understand what this command is for, what it tool is for. And extrusion is mean like when you extrude 2D drawing, and it's become a 3D object. It's 3-dimensional object. It's easy. You just pick like for the first thing, the first one here, here and here. You have a transition between the bigger, like the first part of the I Shape Girder, and then the second part, this one. You edit top, and you pick this one. You pick the smaller one inside this. That's right here. You're gonna pick, and you're gonna stream, and this one you're gonna. It's easy. Just split that one. You split this one and this one as well. Yeah, and stream and no, this one you don't need to. You need to trim on the top, and this one. Oh, sorry. TR stream, and that's on. And this one is delete. Yeah, and it's gonna have some problem here. So we're gonna come back to front, and you're gonna pull this off for a little bit. Just remember the way with this one, it has some problem. To solve this problem, it's quite easy. We need to do like this, right? Do like this. Okay. and then we're gonna go to double click this one. We're gonna go to front left, and we're gonna put it down a little bit, create a new line right here, right here, and we're gonna finish. Yeah, you're gonna see that we have this one, and you're gonna try this one as well. Try it to be a one part. Yeah, we're gonna go to front, and yeah, we're gonna set up the reference plan to have a diameter for this one, and create, and this one the L2, this one the instant. Okay, and then we align this one, lock it up. And for the other part, you're gonna one section, the extrusion of this section, you're gonna left and create extrusion. We wanna pick line, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah, easy. It's easy. This one is overlap. You're gonna delete and we pick again. You're gonna trim. I'm gonna trim. Okay, and then yeah, it's easy. Now this one, put it down, putting it over. Okay, go to front and align up, align to this one. Use another reference plan to mirror on this one, and mirror it up. And this one, I'm gonna delete it because it's from here to here. You can. Okay, for this one we're gonna and yeah, and this one, this not here, align, and this one is align as well. But you can see we pull this over, remove constraint, and this one is pull it over, remove constraint, and this one also, to make sure that we align all of this one to the reference plan. Here, align, this one is the line, so align. Yeah, and we can create the dimension from this one to this one, and this one is equal, and this one is here. This one is the L, and this one. This one we're gonna create the same as L2, and this one is L1. L1. Okay, and then this one we create L3. L3 instant. Okay, and then we're gonna see. We're gonna try this one as well. Try to make it to be one part. We're gonna make some trial. We're gonna change this one is to 700. We're gonna see how it change. Yeah. Okay. They connect together. We're gonna import into project, so it's quite easy to create I Shape Girder for our bridge. So in next section, next lesson, we're gonna create something different. It's like a putman pier or something like railing, bridge deck, something like that. Okay, see you again.